Morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yalla. I don't know what I'm gonna do today because I have zero plans. I always have zero plans. What am I talking about? Anyways, I want to take a shower now. It's close to 9. I think it's going to 9, but I don't know yet. And like, my cousin has to bath right now because he's going to work. So I'm like, bath so I can bath, but they're wasting time, so I'm getting annoyed. But y'all, anyways, welcome to the vlog. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah. Guys, I need a new screen protector. The screen protector for my phone currently, like my entire camera portion of the screen protector is cracked. So I need a screen protector. I don't know when I'm gonna get it or when, but I need it because like I've been not wanting to buy it because I don't know, I'm cheap and stuff. But now I'm realizing that because I think my phone's face recognition doesn't work anymore because of how bad my screen protector is. I feel like it's covering the sensors or something, because if I was to show you, I was gonna say let me take a screenshot, but I can't. Anyways, let me do my skincare quick time lapse nyana quickly. And Lord, guys, do you really want me to post a vlog, everything? I think I bet more than I can chew by saying I'm gonna make a vlog every day, because I now don't feel like editing or like vlogging. So that's the thing that's happening right now. It's currently, I don't know, maybe like 12, 1 or 2, I don't know. I was watching YouTube. Jet lag, if you've never watched it, it's so nice. They've started a new game of hide and seek. The brain part is that they posted this week. That means I'm gonna see the next part next week. Oh god, like dang. And then there's Laratung Malo. I enjoy her vlogs, but she didn't post her vlog this week, so it's making me feel bad because I'm like, what am I supposed to do on YouTube? Like, and I watched my fam. I watched her vlog. I'm done with it. And there's Lena Lifts. I'm not like the biggest fan. I watch her vlogs, but like, I don't fangirl over them, if that makes sense. Okay, let me show you my outfit for the day. Don't ask me why my hair is messy. Okay, so I'm wearing a dress. It's like so long. Wait, let me stand in the bed and show you how long it is. Look, see that? now done cooking. It's so hot, like the oven, the stove, everything, it's just so hot. But I've done cooking now. I'm gonna just dish up for everyone. And yeah. Guys, we've reached the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see my video tomorrow. I think I'm gonna skip a day. I'm tired of vlogging and editing. Like, so I almost didn't upload anything, if I'm being honest. So like, can I take a day off, guys? Because, you know, like, I know I'm trying to be consistent. I might post, but I doubt. I think I need a rest. I think I bit too much, you know. I put myself under too much pressure to post every day, like, because I just realized that posting every day is not gonna bring me more views. Okay, so I can take a break. I might even start posting less and less, but we'll see, guys. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below that how Tato, why didn't you guys tell me that I had something on my dress? Like, only now I see it, and I'm even about to go sleep. I'm gonna take a quick shower, not shower, bath, but yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye.